Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about specialty tools from OTC. OTC is an American tool company which makes automotive specialty tools. Before unboxing it, I just wanna mention that I have used this tool quite a lot and I can safely say I love it and it works as it should. I'm gonna show some footage too, so stay tuned. This toolkit called Front End Service Set. It is made in Taiwan, but it's a good quality toolkit. This toolbox comes with different ball joint separator, pitman arm puller, and tie rod end pullers. Let's open it up. Nice and sturdy box. Smooth lashes. It's got foam cushion. It's got 5 different types of separator for different application. Some instruction for this toolkit's usage. Couple of pitman arms puller, ball joint separator, tie rod separator. This one is one of my most used tools. You can use that for tie rod end. It can be used removing bearing race, or it can be used as small puller for certain part depending on the application. It's got part number on it. You can buy all these tools individually too. I put the link in description. It is forged steel. It's got nice solid forcing screw. Make sure always lube the screw before and after using it. It will last long. The edge has moving metal part. It helps in adjusting the angle. 2 jaws are adjustable. Edges are nice and sharp to grab the object. Here is couple of examples how tool works. It's pretty self-explanatory. Here I'm removing the bearing inner race. This kit got pitman arm puller. Nice solid construction. It's got forcing screw and fixed arms. It's not only pitman arm puller but also can be used to remove some tie rod or drag links in certain cars. This one is my second most used tool from this kit. This is a bit different than others. It's called ball joint separator. This sharp edges part goes between ball joint and forcing screw. Push the upper part. It separates the ball joint without damaging the rubber boot. This is not only limited to the ball joint, but you can also use some tie rod on certain vehicles. The jaw mouth can be adjusted with 2 different options by changing the bolts up or down depending on your needs. Really handy tool. Here is another smaller pitman arm puller. And this tool is different kind of puller. It can be used in both ball joint and tie rod end. I have not used this particular tool yet, but I have it if I need it. This toolkit is serving me well and never broke any of the tools yet. It has lifetime warranty. If you break one, you will get new replacement. I'm pretty satisfied with this kit. If you are a serious hobbyist or professional mechanic, I think it is a must tool. Not necessarily you have to buy this brand, there are tons of other cheap brands out there available. Just grab one, whichever brand works for you. Okay guys, that's it with the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and consider to subscribe my channel. I will see you in another video. Thanks for watching.